I got 2 letters for you. B, N. How you being? I'm mooey being. Hippies are just being, man. But why just being when you can mooey being? You can mooey being. All right, so now if I look at all of these, we hit the drop down with a cute PDF printer. I can look at the entire worksheet, and now I've got all of these on the same printout. So let's go ahead and print this bad doggy out. We're gonna print it, and there we go. And where does it want? Where do we want to put it? I'll tell you where I want to put it. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, and we'll just call it reports. It'll be PDF reports. Okay, and save it. And so now I can go over here, and let's open that one up and check it out. Open it up, check it out. So now we've got all of these on the same page. So again, I can kind of give this to somebody with a little bit more customization and make my own kind of reports. And we could have added like a title page or something like that. Now, I'm not saying this is the best customization to do. I'm just trying to show that you have obviously a lot more customization capability if you export to Excel, and you could integrate this with Word if you wanted to, or add a cover page in Excel or Word. Notice the difference between the format here versus like the format. Let's open this one up. This is just straight out, and it looks pretty clean, looks pretty nice. I'm not, you can say which one you like better or not. I'm not an expert at formatting. I'm just saying if you wanted to format, you could make it look the same, but you can have a whole lot of other options doing with Excel, right? If you're a format expert, and that could really differentiate yourself just a little bit, like just something like just changing the font. Like I say, people like Apple, for example, when Steve Jobs was doing Apple, it's kind of amazing that it seems like the biggest things that he did to really differentiate Apple and stuff was actually on like fonts and things, right? Things that were more visually appealing kind of stuff rather than the numbers, the reports themselves, so just saying, just a little bit, right? Could go a long way. I'm not good at it. It's not my thing. It's not something I'm an expert at, but if you are good at that, you have a lot more options here than in Excel. Than in QuickBooks, and you want to balance out how much added little stuff you might be able to do if you were going to do it that way versus the time it takes to add those things, because you have to do it every time, because it's not going to be something that can be customized and saved as an automatically generated report within the QuickBooks system.